How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Mazda, we have this 2021 Mazda MX-30, which is their first electric vehicle. So of course we're going to go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn, see how it performs, then I'm going to come back and tell you guys my impressions of the MX-30. Before we get going, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars, and since we're on the Autobahn, let's just go ahead and get going. There's no real sport mode or anything. We're just going to go ahead and launch it, see what we can do. The top speed of this is only 147 kilometers an hour on the speedo. The Autobahn here is limited to 130, so we won't go much faster than that, but at least we can see the acceleration time from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. Let's go now. Alright, and you guys have seen high battery voltage low, said something like that on the screen there, and that is the main problem with this MX-30 is really the range. So if you have a full battery, full tank, full battery at 100%, you can only go about 150 kilometers plus minus a few kilometers, and that is not enough for most people. I've been really struggling with this thing because I really can't take it anywhere. I mean, it's good enough to get you maybe from A to B, from work and to the grocery store and then back home. But for somebody like me and for a lot of people that, you know, go a bit further, more than 100 kilometers on a single day, this is really not enough of range for this vehicle. And that's the one big complaint right out of the way, and everybody will say the same thing about this MX-30. Otherwise, it's really nice. You have this nice interior. You got some cork here. I think Mazda started as a cork company, so you have that reminiscent here, and if you fold this down, you have some more cork down there. The interior is very nicely laid out, designed, and the material quality is also fairly nice. You have a hard touch plastic piece here, but most other places are soft touch. You have this really nice soft leatherette here and on the armrest as well. Some nice fabric here as well. So overall, a really nice interior and place to be. I'm not too sure about this screen layout here. You have the navigation screen basically and entertainment screen here, and then you control it with this wheel, and then you have the climate controls here on this screen here, but you can also use these buttons here to control your climate control. So I'm not 100% sure what they were thinking about there. Maybe they could have just combined one large screen like a Tesla, or did something else. I'm not too sure about these two screens here, but overall a really nice interior ambiance, and also the Bose sound system that we have in our test vehicle here today is very, very decent for a vehicle of this size. So overall, that's going to wrap up the video there. Be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars for more acceleration videos and my impressions, and I will see you guys in the next one.